Namaste my friends. How is this budget 2022 for doctors? Are doctors going to become more happy with this budget 2022? So let us see in nutshell what is lying for us, for doctors in medical community, how we are going to get affected by this budget 2022. Friends, I am Dr. Anil Nirai, MS MCH Plastic Surgery, PGDBA Brand Management, and I am founder director of Happy Doctor Foundation. By now you must have subscribed to our channel of Happy Doctor Foundation on YouTube or our Facebook group. So today let us find out whether this budget is going to make us more happy or less happy or sad. Okay. See now, usually whenever the budget is declared, everybody looks in for क्या सस्ता हुआ, क्या महंगा हुआ, what has become cheap and what has become costly. Okay. But this budget of 2022, friends, this is not a Santa Claus budget. This is not a Santa Claus budget. This is Chanakya budget. Chanakya budget means this budget is futuristic. There are strategies which we may not understand right now, but those strategies are based on futuristic vision. Budget is optimistic and it is going to help medical community and healthcare sector in long run. So let us find out how exactly doctors are going to get affected. First thing is, for the first time in history of India, government has paid attention to mental health. That is very important aspect. Mental health. They are going to set up a digital health portal for mental health. Okay, and that is a very good news for our secretary qualified medical professionals. Second thing for the health community and in healthcare sector is they are going to develop a national database of doctors, national database of healthcare service provider, healthcare facilities. So in near future a time will come when there will be data available on each and every village in India, how many hospitals are there, which doctor is there, what facilities are available. The budget has got one principle in their mind, and that is health care for all. So in coming year, when this national database of healthcare providers, healthcare service will be complete, it will be a boon to each and every individual in India. Another advantage to medical doctors facility is the budget is encouraging startup healthcare projects. And if you remember in my last video, I had said that a startup health is very important. A doctor who wants to start practice, a doctor who wants to start clinic, doctor who wants to open up a hospital or he wants to expand hospital or he wants to scale, then this budget is going to help him, because there are many facilities like loan providing, infra care, setup support coming up in this budget. If anybody wants to build hospital or a healthcare program, healthcare startup will be identified as a separate sector, right? Next, when you go in the deep of this budget and see, there is something boosting for pharma sector. Pharma sector, vaccine related or tablets, medicine, injections, pharmaceutical products related, they are going to get lot of boosting in this budget. As you know, in pandemic what was the position, and so this is the preventive measure taking budget. That's why I said this is futuristic and optimistic, and it is supportive to healthcare sector. Another better advantage of this budget is now you can have health products, eatable products, healthy food, dry fruits, dates, cashew nuts. The import duty has been reduced by considerable percent, I think almost from 30% to 3.5%. So import of dry fruits will be encouraged in near future. The protein food supplements will also be available at cheaper rate. Then in IT technology, Indian made, the made in India, Desi brands of laptop, desktop, smartphones will be cheaper. Of course, there will be more duty for importing item. So foreign brands, high-end laptops and smartphones will be costly. So another important not to be missed point for pharmaceuticals. Listen carefully. The pharma companies will lose the benefit of deduction of their expenses whenever they are spending on gifts to medical community. What does this mean? Previously, pharma companies were allowed this much expenses has been done on this particular doctor or for this particular CME, and that much expense amount was deducted from their income while computing the tax liability. Now they will lose that benefit. Okay. Now, are we going to be happy? Definitely yes. Why? Because the digital health ecosystem is going to come into action gradually over next few months. And when this digital health ecosystem will be implemented, that time everybody will be on digital platform. There will be more jobs, more job opportunities in IT sector, in healthcare sector, but job will be available only to those people who are having skills. You cannot just sit at home doing nothing and expect job from government. If you are a skilled person, yes, then there will be lot of job opportunities for you. Now, with these short insights, whether a doctor is going to be happy or no, I don't know. But take it in writing from me, wife of all doctors will be happy because the duty on diamond jewelries has been reduced considerably. Duty on gemstone studded jewelries has been reduced considerably. So, even if you, the doctor, is not happy, your wife is going to be happy. Friends, stay in touch with more insights. Subscribe to Happy Doctor Foundation YouTube channel. Join our WhatsApp group and subscribe to our Facebook group of Happy Doctor Foundation. See you in next video. Bye. Thank you. Take care.